Storms causing problems for people in parts of Westchester as well.
CBS 2's Cory James live from Yonkers with the conditions. Cory.
Hey, Christine. Hey, Maurice. Yeah, it is so cold out here. And just to give you a sense of it, take a look at our grill and bumper. You can see icicles have actually formed on both. And just to give you a perspective of how much snow has fallen in this area in Yonkers, take a look at the ground. Snow is coating it. It's sitting on top of cars and homes as well. And we also did a reading with this ruler just to see how much snowfall has fallen on the ground so far. We're looking at 5 inches. No matter who you asked.
Oh, it's crazy today, you know?
They were honest.
I absolutely hate it.
About the first snowstorm blanketing the tri-state area. Do you think this was the perfect day to come shopping?
Nah, it's cold.
In Westchester County, the snowfall was steady, piling up on top of cars, mounting the ground with the wet wintry mix.
It looks so pretty. I waited for the really heavy stuff to come.
But this man waiting on the bus was not having it. He hid under a door frame just to stay dry.
Expected it, but not this much, not this, like, the wind hitting.
25 miles away in Bedford Hills, Max Dunn tells us people were out in full force.
I had shovels here.
Flocking to his hardware store for shovels, snow blowers, and salt.
This was one of our best business days. We're looking at 200 plus customers, almost $14,000 in a single day of sales.
Rosa Lopez knows the importance of preparation work. She salted her driveway, raised her windshield wipers, and put tire stops in front of their cars.
Because we never know, you know. Sometimes don't snow a lot and sometimes snow a lot.
A snowstorm that is already creating problems. While snowplows salted the ground along Sawmill River Parkway, this driver was getting stuck on Hutchison River Parkway, and some are expecting the nor'easter to get even worse.
Hoping for the best, but preparing for the worst.
And back here live, you can probably see the snow still falling at this hour. It's coming down a little bit lighter than what it was earlier today, but the wind certainly is picking up right now. Reporting live in Yonkers, Cory James, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Cory, thank you.